Hello everyone! Welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone, where fun sketches turn into colorful cartoon adventures. Today, we're bringing the world of cars to life with our pencils and colors. Let's get started and enjoy this creative journey together. We begin with Fillmore, the calm green van who loves nature and good vibes. His rounded shape and friendly eyes make him fun and relaxing to draw. Bright green tones give Fillmore his eco-friendly look. The flower details add a calm and cheerful feeling to his colorful design. Now we move on to Lightning McQueen, the fastest racer on the track. His bold curves and confident smile make him exciting to draw. Strong red tones show his speed, power, and racing spirit. The details make him look full of energy and ready to win the race. Next comes Ramone, the cool purple lowrider with lots of style. His long body and smooth design give him a very unique look. Purple colors make Ramone stand out with an artistic and modern vibe. Shiny details show his love for custom paint and creativity. Here is Tow Modder, the fun and friendly tow truck. His playful face and simple shapes are full of personality. Warm orange tones give Modder a cheerful and welcoming feel. The colors show his big heart and his humorous personality. Next is Cruz Ramirez, the confident and fast trainer. Her sleek shape and determined eyes show her focus on racing. Bright yellow colors make Cruz look fast and powerful. Soft tones highlight her modern and energetic style. Last but not least is Sally Carrera, the calm and elegant sports car. Her smooth curves and gentle smile give her a graceful appearance. Soft blue tones make Sally look calm and classy. The colors complete her relaxed and caring personality. Wow! What an amazing Cars adventure we had today. We brought Fillmore, Lightning McQueen, Ramone, Mater, Cruz, and Sally to life with art and color. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time with more drawings and animated adventures. Goodbye.